Do you need water leak detection in Kalamunda? At Wizard Leak Detection, we provide precise, efficient, and non-invasive leak detection services for residential, commercial, and industrial properties. Our experienced technicians use advanced technology to locate hidden leaks in pipes, walls, ceilings, and underground systems. Undetected leaks can cause structural damage, increased water bills, and costly repairs. We specialize in early detection, minimizing disruption and preventing further damage to your property. Our accurate diagnostics and targeted solutions ensure leaks are identified and resolved efficiently. Whether you're dealing with water loss, damp areas, mold growth, or unexplained meter readings, we provide fast, reliable, and cost-effective leak detection services tailored to your needs. For expert water leak detection in Kalamunda, contact Wizard Leak Detection today at 0447831506 or visit our website for more info at www.wizardleakdetection.com.au.